Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have come with another problem of mensuration 2D. It says two semicircles of diameter AB and BC are drawn inside the semicircle of diameter AC. This is the semicircle of diameter AB and this is the semicircle of diameter BC. These two are drawn inside the semicircle of diameter AC, that is the big semicircle. Given that BC is equal to 6 cm. BD is perpendicular drawn on AC from the circumference of the big semicircle. This BD is the perpendicular that is drawn on AC from the circumference of the big semicircle. We have to find the area of the shaded region. To find the area of the shaded region, we have to find the area of the all three semicircles. Then we have to subtract the area of the small semicircles from the area of the big semicircle. So how we get area of the shaded region? That is area of the big semicircle minus the sum of the area of the two small semicircles. That is the area of the big semicircle whose diameter is AC minus the area of the small semicircle that diameter is AB and the area of the another small semicircle whose diameter is BC. To find the area of the semicircles, we need the radius of the semicircles or the diameters of the semicircles. But we have the diameter of the smallest semicircle only. So our first step is to find the diameter of the semicircles. So if we can find AB, then we will get AC too. To find AB, let's first step is construct the triangle ADC. That is join A to D and D to C. Now we get the angle ADC, that is a right angle, because an angle of a semicircle is always a right angle. So this angle ADC is 90 degree. Now consider the triangle BDC, that is this small right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle because BD is perpendicular on AC. Consider the triangle BDC, which is a right angle triangle. Now we have to find the angle C. Let the angle C is equal to theta. So in the triangle BDC, we know the perpendicular, that is BD, and the base, that is BC. Now we have to find angle theta, so we will apply tan theta. We know that tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. So here perpendicular is BD and base is BC. Therefore tan theta is equal to BD by BC. So BD is 6 root 3 and BC is 6 cm. So 6 and 6 gets cancelled out. So we get tan theta is equal to root 3. We know that root 3 is value of tan 60 degree. Therefore tan theta is equal to tan 60 degree. And now we get theta equal to 60 degree. So this angle C is 60 degree. So our angle C is 60 degree and this triangle ADC is a right angle triangle where the angle D is 90 degree. It is the angle of semicircle, so it is 90 degree. And angle C we get 60 degree. Now we find angle A. So angle A equal to 90 degree minus 60 degree, that is 30 degree. Now let's consider the triangle ABD, that is this right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle because BD is perpendicular on AC. Consider the triangle ABD, which is a right angle triangle with angle B is equal to 90 degree. BD is the perpendicular with the length is 6 root 3 cm. So we have got angle A is equal to 30 degree. This is 30 degree. We find the length of AB. So this length we have to find. Here we apply tan 30. So tan 30 is equal to perpendicular by base, that is perpendicular here is BD and base is AB. Now value of tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. And BD is equal to 6 root 3 and we have to find AB. So we get AB is equal to 6 root 3 into root 3. So AB is equal to 6 into 3, that is AB is equal to 18. So we get this is 18 cm. So AB is the diameter of this semicircle and we get AB is 18 centimeter. We had BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Hence find AC. So AC is equal to 18 plus 6, that is 24 centimeter is AC. That is the diameter of the big semicircle. Now find area of all the semicircles. So area of the semicircle with diameter AB, that is 18 centimeter. So its diameter is 18 centimeter, therefore radius is 9 centimeter. Hence area equal to pi by 2 into 9 square, that is 81 pi by 2 centimeter square. So I hope you know area of semicircle equal to pi by 2 r square, where r is the radius of the semicircle. Now area of the semicircle with diameter BC, that is 6 centimeter. So its radius is 3 centimeter. Hence area is pi by 2 into 3 square, that is 9 pi by 2 centimeter square. Now area of the semicircle with diameter AC equal to 24 centimeter. Its radius is 12 centimeter. Because radius, I hope you know that radius is equal to half of the diameter. Area equal to pi by 2, 12 square centimeter square, that is 144 pi by 2 centimeter square. Now area of the shaded region, that is equal to area of the big semicircle minus sum of the areas of the small two semicircles. Area of the big semicircle we get 144 pi by 2 and area of the small semicircles was 81 pi by 2 and another area was 9 pi by 2. So now subtract. So we get 144 pi by 2 minus 90 pi by 2 centimeter square. So subtracting we get 54 pi by 2 centimeter square and this is 27 pi centimeter square. So this is the answer. I hope you all understand the problem and its solution. Thanks for watching.